Said if f of x minus 2 equals this, then we ask to find f of minus 3. The equation is very simple. We know they say we are looking for f of minus 3, and we know for us to get, look at this, ff, for us to get minus 3 here, I have to put x as minus 1. Do you get the logic? That's the only way I can get minus 3. And since this is now equals to wherever I see x, call it minus 1. Minus 3 plus minus 1 squared plus 2 minus 1 minus 2. So my answer is minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 minus 2. So our answer is minus 4, option A. Let's find the range of values of s for which fx is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means positive. That's y is greater than 0, meaning upper part of this. And as you can see, this is fx. So the interval here are positive. Fx, they're always greater than or equal to 0. Also from here again, is also greater than equal to 0. So our answer is greater than or equal to 3. So okay, it seems only A. Okay, option A has only this part. So that's the answer, option A. As the polynomial this is exactly divisible by this, find the third factor. So this question is tricky. The only way I will solve the, remember, for it to be a factor, if you substitute the factor, it must give us 0. So if you substitute the roots here, it must give us 0. So how do you get this root? So they say it is divisible by this, exactly divisible by this. So what I will do, I will split this. Let me factor it. You know, this, we'll write this as x plus 3 and x minus 2. Yes, this could be factored like this, meaning that these two that are the factors of this for it to be exactly divisible by this. So which implies that x plus 3 equal to 0. There implies that x is minus 3, and x minus 2 equal to 0 implies that x is 2. So wherever we substitute minus 3 and 2, it must give us 0 for it to be the factor. So therefore now, if you substitute f minus 3, so we have minus 3 raised to power 3 plus a minus 3 raised to power 2 minus 10 times minus 3 plus b must give us 0 for it to be the factor. So let's finish up. This is minus 27. This is plus 9a. This is plus 30. And plus b must give us 0. So we have 9a plus what? 9a plus b must be equal to minus 27 plus 30 is 3. So 3 goes over minus 3. So that's our equation 1. So again, if you substitute 2, it must give us 0 again. So we have 2 raised to power 3 plus a 2 raised to power squared minus 10 times 2 plus b must give us 0. So we have, this is 8 plus 4a minus 20 plus b must give us 0. Therefore we have 4a plus b equal to 20 minus 8 is 12. So equation 2. So we solve equation 1 and 2 simultaneously. So let's use eliminations. Subtraction. Let's subtract equation 2 from 1. So equation 2 minus equation 1 implies that 9a minus that is 5a. 9a minus 4a is 5a. Okay, let's do equation 1 minus equation 2. 9a minus 4a is 5a. B minus b is 0. Minus 3 minus 12 is minus 15. Therefore, a is minus 3. So let's finish. Let's get for b. So we choose any of the equation and substitute the value of a to get b. So I will choose equation 2. From equation 2, 4a plus b is 12. So b is now 12 minus 4a. And we've gotten a as minus 3. So this is 12 plus 12. So we have 24. So b is 24, a is minus 3. So remember, we are asked to find the third factor. So we substitute the value of a and b. So let's substitute. Remember, a is minus 3 and b is 24. So this is now equal to s cubed. A is minus 3, so minus 3x squared minus 10x plus 24. So this is my polynomial. And how do you get the remaining factor? Use synthetic division. So I'll write the coefficients. Remember, 1 minus 3 minus 10 and 24. And remember, which of the factor? Do you remember the factored form? We have x equal to minus 3 or 2. So I'll choose, let me choose 2. So 2. I'm using synthetic division. This is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. This, if you add minus 10 plus minus 2 is minus 12. 2 times minus 12 is minus 24. If you add is 0. So I've used it. This is the remainder. For the remainder to be 0 means it's a factor. So we now have x squared. This is constant, x and x. So x squared minus x minus 12. So we used x equal to 2. Do you remember the remaining factor, which is x plus 3? So meaning that I will factor this as x plus 3 and any other factor. And the remaining factor is x minus 4. So if I multiply this, I will get this. But they gave us this and x minus 2. So the remaining factor is x minus. So this is the remaining factor.